Welcome back to another video. In this video, we will discuss about the stack bar chart by importing a CSV file or Excel file. Here basically I have imported a Excel file, and you can see here that I have 10 observations and these observations have different data of 6 years, means the data is collected in the 6 years of these varieties of 10. Here we will want to create a stack bar chart, and by using this function we can create a stack bar chart. In the previous video I have already discussed that how can we create a simple stack bar chart, and here we will use a data frame data set to create a stack bar chart. So here I have already named data set to data 1, and here the data frame function is used, and the varieties is basically my file name. And here basically I have created a code that is the data 1 dollar total yield this into row sums data 1 and -1. This is basically is used to sum all the values of the data. Here you can see that to create the total yield. So this is basically the previous code is created to calculate the total yield of all these yields, that is of one variety, second variety, third variety, and so on to end 10th varieties. So basically this is the total yield of all these varieties. So here in this code, the main thing that I have mentioned here, this is basically the comma into and then -1. So -1 basically here specifies that not to add the first value, that is basically varieties names, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are not added when they are getting the total yield. So in this way we can create a stack bar chart by first of all we need to create a total yield of all the varieties, and then we need a bar plot function. By using this bar plot function we can create our stack bar chart, as I already discussed in the previous video. So here we will use another function to create the stack bar plot, that is as dot matrix into our data set, that is data 1, and then we also have to specify that the first column and then end column into data 1. So except the first column, we also we consider all the columns of the data 1 that is given in the data sets. So after the second thing, the second main function is the names dot arg. In this we have to specify our data 1, and by using the sign dollar, this is basically our varieties of the this is basically our file name. So here as you know that the first in the bar plot, the first variable is basically our y variable, the first value, and the second one is the our x, and here I have already put the data of $1 varieties, and here we will the next one thing is to give the color to this bar chart, that is basically I will give here the rainbow color. So by giving this color, and we need also to specify that to all column variables except of the data 1 -1. Negative one sign is also mentioned there, that the first column is not considered, and the first column is not given, that is basically the varieties names, that is not considered in the data, and there is no need to give color to the first column. So that's why we have specified here the -1. And the second one thing is to give the x lab, which is basically is given into the inverted commas. Here I will specify here that the varieties, and the second one thing is basically the y lab, This is also given in the inverted commas to label the y axis, which is basically our yield. And the main and the last one is the second last one is the main function that is need to give the main heading of the stack bar plot or any plot that is basically represents our plot, and here we will need to write a total yield of all varieties. So this is basically the whiling function, which is used to specify the limit of the y axis. That is also need to specify here that, and I will specify it to in the range between the 0 to 800. You can also specify it according to your design, and then we need to run our code. After running this code, you can see here the output. So this is the basically output of our variable. Here some is the main error, that is in bar plot.default. That is basically here the data one varieties is basically the incorrect number of variables. Sometimes small errors come in our code. We have to face that such kind of errors and then to run our code. Here you can see that the total yield of all varieties is basically plotted in this. By using the rainbow function, the specifically all the colors is given by the RStudio by self, and we don't need to specify the color that is given to any type of things. Here we can also create a legend to specify that the all the basically we have used here the values. Okay, so here we will use a legend function, and after running this code, you can see here that to give a legend color, we need to first of all specify that the top right, that the side where the legend box appears, and then we need a legend function into describe that the data one dollar varieties. This is basically the varieties is basically the first column names. You can see here that which is specified with the capital V, and this is basically the first variable names. We need also to specify here, and then the title. You can also give title to the your legends. That is basically is given by the using this function, title function, and I have already given this as title into varieties, and then you need to give color to your that is basically given in your bar plot function. So I have also given here, and we need also specify the line width of the legend, and also you need to specify the size of the size of your legend. So by running this code, you can see that how the legend appears in this graph. So you can see here that in this way the legend is appear in this graph. Here the basically main title of this legend, that is basically variety, and you can see here that the first one is the red color, is of red color. You can see here that our first basically is of red color. The second one is of yellow, and the third one is of green. 4 is light green, 5 is light blue, and the sixth one is the dark blue, and so on. So in this way you can create the legend to your stack bar or any type of bar plots. I hope this video is very helpful for all of you. If you like our videos, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button. Thank you.